Munchies and Munchies! With special guest, Mayhem! And here's your host, Captain Jack!
Oh Lord! Today, we have a man that does a little bit of everything. He's what you call a jack-off of all trades. He's a makeup artist, a sculptor, right? A fabricator. He does horror movies. He's in the horror movies. I give you my boy, Mayhem. Shake on it, man.
Nice to meet
Nice
you.
to
Finally.
meet you.
It's about
Finally.
time.
Damn it, man.
Everyone gets to have fun with you. Now's my chance.
Let's do this. Wait, let's go. Let's start off with, you're a makeup artist, right? You do a lot of makeup. How do you get the couples back together, you know? How do you get them to make up? You know? What is the art of getting them back to makeup?
You gotta show them what love is.
What love is?
Love, man. It's a deep, real deal thing.
Straight from the heart?
You know how you're looking me in the eye right now?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You know what love is?
Yes. So that's how you do it. So you're like,
You gotta like caress them a bit.
right? You tell the girlfriend, no, you know, Tito was taking her to the dollar movies
Yeah.
because, you know, she was sad and everything's good,
Yes.
right? The makeup artist, if we're gonna
The
make
dollar
up
movies, that's actually the way to go.
with the dollar hot dogs. Oh my God, those things, I could down those all day.
I heard you do.
I do. I don't even chew. Just take them straight down, right?
Of course.
We have so much hydrochloric acid, we don't have to chew.
You got acid though?
Tons.
We'll talk after.
We'll
this.
talk after. We'll get that. That's later. That's later on the show. Okay, so down. Let me see. So I heard down the grapevine that you do effects and you do stuff at Western Playland, right?
Western Playland when I'm feeling rich.
Right? Don't you work at Western Playland?
Sometimes.
Did you design El Banquitos?
Oh,
That roller
designed
coaster,
it,
El Banquitos?
created it, wrote it.
Let me see. Oh, it's not Western Playland. Disneyland.
Sometimes, okay, not many people hear about that, but yeah, sometimes.
Okay.
Yes.
So what do you do at Disneyland? With Dickie Mouse
I
and
can't
Goofball.
talk about
that guy
everything.
Goofballs. That what is he? Is some kind of bipedal dog?
Bipedal, bi in a lot of ways, I hear.
Yes.
Yes.
So what do you do at Disneyland? With he's a Dickie Mouse. He wears Dickies, right?
He is an essay, yes.
He wears Dickies and
I
he has
hear
his
he's
hairnet.
outside. Hey,
Right? He
man,
has his hairnet. Has the 3 flowers on.
Oh, dude, he's a
Right?
Centennial, way. Fucking, come on, Anaheim.
He has low income mousing. Right? Low income mousing. I put 3 flowers today.
I can tell.
3.
That's a beautiful hawk you got.
It's beautiful. I was gonna do it even more. 4 flowers. But I just put 3 there.
I'm glad you showered for me, though. I can smell it on you.
You think so?
Yeah, I smelled it.
Are you sure?
Oh, yeah, dude. I see you used 3 flowers down there, too.
I used, dude, to keep these slick. Jesus,
Your
Those
pubes
curls.
look immaculate.
those curls, man, they're like those old wavy, you know, like when for the plays. Remember people do the plays and they would have the background sea scene and the sea like that, all those curls.
Has
That's
that
my
been around?
beaut. Yeah, that's how it looks. So okay, what do you do at Disneyland?
Well,
What do you do? I heard you work at the Nightmare Before Christmas, right?
Yes. Yes, I
What did you do there?
All the fun little art pretty stuff, I make that.
Like what? Like the sandworms?
Sandworms, the present eaters, the anything you see over there, man.
How do you make them? What do you make them with? Play-Doh?
Oh, dude, Play-Doh.
what do you make?
Play-Doh when we can afford it. But
they give
if
you a
not,
budget?
we
Do
gotta
they
use
give
like fiberglass and all that other boring shit, you know.
Damn, dude. You must be banking, man. That's all cow, man.
100%.
All cow, man. You know, like, what's that saying up as birds of leather? Fuck together?
Yes, we do. You're a
Right?
good guy, man. I like you.
Is that?
I think we understand each
We
other.
don't understand each other?
We should.
Oh my god.
You know, I used to have a mohawk too.
Did you?
I did.
For reals?
Yeah, but then I got
Did
a
you
job.
skateboard? Like Tony Mohawk? What did you use to keep it up? Was it 3 flowers or no?
A lot of hopes and dreams.
Hopes and dreams. Oh my god, that's not gonna keep anything up, man.
Hey, that's why it's not here no more, right?
That's why it's not here no more.
Yeah, I
I
get
like what
you.
it's doing now. What do you put in it?
Sadness, mainly.
Sadness? Let me
You smell that?
Sadness and LA looks.
Yes,
Of
you got
course. You gotta do the LA looks.
I'm in LA, homie.
You were in LA.
What else am I gonna do?
Actually, in LA, it's just called looks. That's what you do. All right, man. So let's see. What you go? What are your influence? Do you go? What are your influences? I know you like horror a lot, right?
Yes.
Does it go like way back, man? Like the original OGs, man? Like maybe HPV Lovecraft?
Right? HPV is the one.
Or Edgar Allan Poe? Who's your main influences, huh?
Kind of hard to say, man. You already fucking nailed it with those guys. Yeah.
Are you serious?
The Lovecrafts, the Sabinis, the Romeros.
Don't you work with Sabini?
Sometimes.
Right?
Whenever he lets me.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Dude, that is awesome.
Yeah, he's a cool guy.
You're about. That's why you're on this couch, man.
Yeah, you're a cool
You're
guy.
about. For real?
Yeah.
Thank you, bro.
You think I just do this with anyone?
I don't know. This is a casting couch. This is the total casting couch. I don't
I'm
know.
not wearing any pants.
No, you're not.
I know that much.
So have you worked on any with any big stars? No? Like
Some of the guys from Clerks, some of the guys from
Clerks?
Yeah.
That is who from Clerks?
Dante.
No way.
Yeah. I got to do like some makeup effects on his forehead, make it look like he's getting cut.
Dude, that is awesome.
Yeah.
Have you worked with like Raul Julia from was the Addams Family or
I would
Or is
love
it-
to.
yes?
Yeah.
Wesley Snipes or Gerard Depardieu from Bogus?
I'm working on that.
And how about the sets? Have you worked on any like famous sets like Steel Magnolias or Fried Green Tomatoes?
You know, fried green tomatoes is aiming a little bit high, but one day, man.
Do you remember that shit with that guy? He's there he was stuck on the track. He's like, I'm fucking stuck on this track. And everybody thought he died, but no, he just lost his leg. And I heard that you work on freak shows, is that true?
Sometimes.
What do you do in the
Whenever I'm
freak
feeling
show?
Freaky. Bed of nails, stapled, blood, all that kind of stuff.
How you put nail?
I get nailed a lot, man.
You get nailed a lot? They just nail stuff on you? Or like the staples, you were showing me stuff on staples.
It was staple money and business cards and
Business
trash.
cards?
Yeah, I guess they want me to like call them.
Yeah, it's like, here you go, reach me. Yeah, here's a staple. Here you go. One of your balls.
They always aim
Staple
for the
that.
balls. Always.
You should work at Staples.
I thought about it.
Man, work at
but
Staples.
They have like standards and.
And then you get there and this is boring shit, man. What am I doing? I'm just stuck in a paper. And I go, when are they gonna staple my balls? Alright, man. So I heard you're so good with the makeup and you could transform anything, right? You could make it could be like a tampon. You could change it into a pad.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
You could make a tadpole. You could already make it look like a frog if you wanted to.
If I wanted to.
Right?
I can make you pretty.
You could make me pretty.
I could.
Finally. You could turn Caitlyn Jenner, right? You can make it look like a mannequin.
It's a bit of a stretch,
It's
but
a
I
bit
can do
of a
what I can.
stretch.
I can do what I can.
I'll show you a stretch.
Hey.
Whoa.
Hey.
Whoa.
That wasn't a part of the contract.
Whoa.
It's a part of the contract. Come
Is
on,
it?
bring
Yeah.
it.
All right. So what are you drinking there, mayhem? What is your? How do you wet your beak?
I'm drinking my drink of choice. It's
is
something
it?
you can't even get at Whole Foods.
You can't even get it at Whole Foods.
Yeah. And the main ingredients is a line of cocaine.
Are you serious? Oh my God! Is that Hasselhoff's?
You already knew.
That is Cornflake's
You
favorite
already
drink.
knew.
Yes, that's my cousin. He drinks that all the time.
Yeah, me and your cousin
And
party
he
all the time.
transformed. He started on the transformation. Did you see on the label? How is it? It's a little banana hammock right there. You see that?
That is life goals.
And he's wearing a leather jacket just like you.
Exactly.
Do you know how dangerous that drink is, though?
Dangerous
That's-
enough for me to love it, man.
It's like absinthe,
No.
but beer style.
You started off as a beautiful woman at the beginning of this interview.
Exactly.
Yes.
It changes. It fucks with your head, man.
You know, your breath
But-
is lovely.
I think. Is my breath lovely?
Yeah, you're pretty close.
Does it smell like mayhem?
It smells like hops.
It smells
Is that
like hops.
Hasselhoffs?
Ah!
Product placement.
My breath smells like Tijuana. If Tijuana had sex with Juarez. Okay, man. So, what is your favorite horror movie? Are you okay?
I'm good.
feel- are
dude.
you
Hold
look-
on.
Your meatballs are looking a little sweaty down there, man.
Dude, can you tell? I'm
Kind of
sorry.
moist. Your sack is looking moist.
I kind of feel like these hops are hassling me, man.
Are you sure? Are they hassling you? I told you that thing is dangerous, man. Fucking, did you read all the ingredients? Did you
Well,
read the warning
starting to
labels?
now,
Are you
man.
pregnant? You don't want any of that shit, man.
Oh shit, dude. Hold on.
Jesus. It's happening. Is it happening? Oh my god!
Oh god.
I told you those are dangerous! Oh my... Oh, but... Happy.
Am I finally pretty?
Oh my... Happy to meet you, you son of a bitch!
Oh god.
Oh my god! You have a head full of chest hair, man!
I
mean,
guess
look at
that makes sense.
I kinda makes sense. But let me tell you. Okay, Mayhem.
up?
From the beginning when you came in here, man,
Yes.
I saw me and you. It was like, have you seen The Matrix?
Yes.
I think our love is similar to The Matrix.
You
You
gotta
are...
get someone drunk in order
I'm
for him
Trinity,
to- Okay.
and you are Neo. And in my heart, I know that you are the one. You jumped off the building, you missed it the first time, you missed it. But for God's sakes, the Oracle told me that you were the one.
Well, I mean, I guess I can't
She
argue
did.
with results.
She told me, she gave me a fucking cookie. She told me you were the one. And I just want you to take the red pill and live in my world. Just stay in my world for once.
Is this love?
It's fucking love. I know it is. Okay? So now this is the part where you're dying, right? You're, you're dying. You're fucking... and I'm like, you can't die. You're the one. You're the one,
Oh
Neo.
god.
You are the one.
Oh, I can't.
Oh my God.
Oh,
I'm gonna...
save me.
You fight
Save
those...
me.
You fight those agents. Oh! Mayhem, you spicy tortas.
You animal.
Pia horchata. Oh my God.
I've
Jesus,
never felt
man.
more alive.
I don't want you to go, man.
Anytime
Like I
you want.
said, you take the red pill, you're with me forever, girl. All right, say goodbye, man. All right, well. Hello.
Yeah. We got that.
I feel fabulous.
You look amazing.
I'm feeling kind of pretty.
Yeah?
I don't know if I'm feeling sexy. Maybe he can change that. I think I found a new Mayhem.
Yes.
I think
That's
there's
it,
going to be a
man.
new look coming.
Looks so good, my curlicue.
Well, I mean,
That.
as long as I keep feeling pretty.